everyone. So today is Monday, April 30th, which means it is exactly one more week until I check in on May 7th. And so that means that today I got my itinerary. So basically the itinerary tells me my exact work location and also what complex I will be living in. So I'm super excited to announce that I will be working in Epcot, Future World, East-West attractions, and I will be living in Vista Way. That was my first choice of complex, just because the buses are really convenient. I've heard the bus to Epcot is one of the most convenient ones because I think it only stops in Epcot. So I'm super excited about that. Also on the itinerary, it tells you kind of what happens your first couple of days. So I check in on May 7th at 10:15, which is nice and early because I arrive just after 5 in the morning on the 7th. I have an immigration meeting the next day in the morning, followed by a housing welcome session, then drug and alcohol testing for the attractions role. And then on the Thursday, May 10th, I think pretty much all of the Canadians have traditions. So mine is at 8:50 in the morning, which is really early. So yeah, I'm super excited. This just really makes everything feel a lot more real now that I know my check-in time, not my exact work location, but kind of narrowed down what park I'll be at. I'm really excited to be working in Epcot. It's my second favorite park. And it's just like a really neat vibe there. So I think kind of the only options for attractions there for East-West would be Living with the Land, Nemo and like Turtle Talk, and then Figment, Journey into Imagination with Figment. So I have a feeling I'm going to be at one of those. Obviously I won't know until I think we get our schedule at Traditions for training. So yeah, I'm super excited. I think I'm going to be packing on Friday, which is in a couple days from now, and then I leave the evening on Sunday, arrive in the morning on Monday. So I will see you for my packing video, which is going to be really tough to film because I basically, as you can see, I'm in a different environment here. I had to move out of my place at the end of the month, and then I basically put everything in storage and then brought everything I thought that I would potentially bring to Florida over here. So I brought a lot more than I know I'm gonna take, just because I didn't want to accidentally pack something in storage and then have to unpack my whole storage locker. So I'm gonna probably lay everything out, go through everything that I brought, and then just see what fits and what doesn't. I think I'm going to be bringing 2 suitcases, but I'll explain all that in a couple of days when I film that video. I will talk to you guys real soon. Make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you real soon. Bye!
What can I say except you're welcome for the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome.